Manifesting beauty is about aligning your mind, body, and spirit with positive energy and self-love. Here's how you can do it. 1. Visualize your ideal self. Picture yourself as the most beautiful version of you. Visualize not just physical attributes, but also how you feel. Confident, radiant, and at peace. See yourself glowing with health and happiness. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations daily. Statements like, I am beautiful inside and out, or I radiate beauty, love, and confidence help rewire your mindset to believe in your inherent beauty. 3. Self-care rituals. Nurture yourself physically and emotionally. Regular exercise, a good skincare routine, healthy eating, and meditation all contribute to inner and outer beauty. Acknowledge the beauty in every part of you, from your hair to your skin to your personality. Gratitude increases your vibrational energy, helping to manifest more of what you desire. Psyche. Positive energy and surroundings. Surround yourself with beauty, whether it's nature, art, or positive people. Self-love and acceptance. Embrace yourself fully, flaws and all. When you love and accept yourself, you naturally exude an irresistible charm that draws others in. Manifesting beauty is an ongoing journey of self-care, positive thinking, and creating a beautiful inner world.